Tonight, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission can breathe a sigh of relief after an application for a review of the 2.5 billion shilling ballot paper printing tender was dismissed. The Public Procurement Administrative and Review Board dismissed the application by Paarl Media of South Africa on the basis that the company did not meet basic requirements, including provision of ballot paper samples, and that its application for review was made by a stranger.
To assist.
With the fate of the ballot paper printing tender hanging in the balance, the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board found no reason to review the tender which was awarded to Al Ghurair of Dubai.
The applicant's request for review dated 7th November 2016 and which was filed with the board on the same day be and is hereby dismissed.
Paarl Media of South Africa, one of the 8 bidders who lost the tender, in its application argued that the IEBC flouted procurement procedures, including the late issuance of a notification and failure to respond to the company's request for a review in good time. The IEBC, on the other hand, argued, among other things, that the application by Paarl Media was time-barred, was filed by a stranger, and that the company failed to meet basic tender requirements. The board in its ruling upheld the IEBC's argument that the application was filed by a stranger, since persons who filed it had not been given a power of attorney by the company. The board also found that Paarl Media failed to provide, among other things, a tender security, audited accounts, and complete samples of ballot papers.
The presidential ballot papers were 2 instead of 5. The county governor ballot papers were 4 instead of 5. The county women member to the National Assembly ballot papers were 2 instead of 6. The senator and the member of National Assembly ballot papers were not submitted at all. Result declaration forms were 2 for each type instead of 12.
The board ruled that Paarl Media was rightly disqualified in the tender process.
The procuring entity is at liberty to proceed with the procurement process herein, but in strict compliance with the law.
According to the contract, the winning bidder, Al Ghurair of Dubai, is expected to deliver the ballot papers within 21 days after the window for political parties to nominate candidates closes on the 8th of May next year. That means that the ballot papers should be in the country before the end of May 2017. Rita Tinina, KTN News.